Henry William Bird, are you willing to enter marriage with the here present bride, Aleksandra Gojković? Love. The highest value for two people who want to walk together, hand in hand, shoulder by shoulder. We all know that the most beautiful and the best things in this world cannot be seen or touched, but they are felt in our hearts. And what comes from the heart reaches the heart. Never forget that love is the only answer to all the troubles in life, and we can truly keep only the love that we give.